What is a binary number? A binary number is a way of counting using only two digits, 0 and 1. Normal numbers, which are classified as decimal numbers. These numbers uses 10 digits, 0 to 9. Now, these 10 digits can contain 5, 10, 25, 30, 40, 45, 100, so on and so forth. They are classified as decimal numbers. This is the everyday numbering system we are using. Binary numbers contains 0 and 1. They are numbers that are either 0 or 1. You can never see figure 2 or figure 3 or figure 4 there. No, it's either 0 or 1. So below is an example of binary numbers: 101, 110, so on and so forth. They are all classified as binary numbers. Computers are made up of zeros and one, not because of anything, but because they work with electricity, where 0 is assigned as off, meaning no electricity, while 1 is assigned to on, which means electricity flow. So computers are made up of zeros and one, a lot of zeros and one. How to convert binary number to decimal numbers. Now, the step one is you need to write down the binary number you want to convert and assign the power, or give each a power of 2. So let's take a simple example. Let's say convert 101 to decimal number. What you just have to do is, first of all, 101, which is equal to, we give it a power of 2, 1 multiplied by 2 plus 0 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2. Now we are going to raise each of the power, each of the 2, we're going to raise it. We are going to assign the power to it, starting from the right. So it will now become 0, 1, and 2. So when you multiply through, it will not give you the decimal number. So let's try it. 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4, plus 0 multiplied, which is 0, multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 1 is 2, plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 0. 2 raised to the power of this 2 raised to the power of 0 is 1. So 1 multiplied by 4 is 4, plus 0 multiplied by 2 is 0, plus 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. So if you add everything together, it will give us 5. So converting 101 in binary to decimal, the answer is 5. Alright, let's take another example. Example 2. Convert 1101 to decimal. It's still the same process. We assign a power of 2, or give each power a power of 2. We assign the power of 2 to them, to each of the binary numbers. So 1 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2 plus 0 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2. Now you are giving them, you are raising the powers. You are raising the powers in each of the 2s that you have assigned to each binary number. You are raising it up. You are raising it, you are giving it a power. So starting from the right, don't forget, starting from the right, we start from 0, 1, 2, and 3. So when you multiply through, 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 3 will give us 8, plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 2 will give us 4, plus 0, 2 raised to the power of 1 will give us 2, plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 0 will give us 1. If you multiply through, will give us our decimal number. So 1 multiplied by 8 is 8 plus 1 multiplied by 4 is 4 plus 0 multiplied by 2 is 0 plus 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. So if you calculate, 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 1 is 13. So 1101 is equal to 13 in decimal. When you convert 1101 to decimal, it will give you 13. So this is our answer.